Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about some fun stories and facts about zebras. If you want to learn more about zebras, make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. There are many stories about zebras from different cultures and regions of Africa. One of the most well-known is how the zebra got his stripes story from the San people of the Namibian Kalahari Desert. This story tells how a young zebra fought with a baboon over a waterhole and got burned by his fire, leaving black stripes on his white fur. Another similar story is from the Khoikhoi people of South Africa, who believed that the zebra was once all white, but got its black stripes after a fight with an elephant. The zebra and the hyena story from Kenya explains why zebras have no horns and hyenas have crooked backs. This story tells how a zebra and a hyena agreed to exchange their horns and backs for a day, but the hyena tricked the zebra and ran away with his horns, leaving him with a crooked back. The zebra and the giraffe story from Tanzania explains why zebras live in open plains and giraffes live in forests. This story tells how a zebra and a giraffe were once friends who lived in the same forest, but they had a quarrel over who had the most beautiful coat. The zebra boasted that his stripes were more attractive than the giraffe's spots, but the giraffe laughed at him and said that his stripes made him look like a donkey. The zebra was so angry that he left the forest and moved to the open plains where he could show off his stripes to everyone. Those are just a few examples of the various stories that have been made about zebras throughout the millennia. Now let's discuss various facts about zebras. Zebras are striped mammals that belong to the Equidae family, along with horses and donkeys. There are 3 species of zebra: the plains zebra, the gravy zebra, and the mountain zebra. All 3 species of zebra are found in various habitats across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras tend to thrive best in areas that have a mix of grasslands and savannas. These habitats provide them with ample grazing grounds and open spaces to roam around. Zebras can also be found in woodlands and deserts, although these are not their preferred habitats. Zebras are well adapted to their various habitats and have some interesting characteristics, behavior, and diets that help them survive. Each species of zebra has a unique stripe pattern on its coat, which provides camouflage from predators, thermoregulation, social recognition, and protection from biting flies. However, the exact purpose of their stripes is still debated among scientists. Zebras are social animals and typically live in herds that consist of a dominant male, several females, and their offspring. They communicate with each other through various vocalizations, including barks, whinnies, and brays. They also use body language such as ear position and tail movement to signal their intentions to other zebras. Zebras are able to adapt to different habitats due to their ability to find food in various types of vegetation. When it comes to their diet, zebras are herbivores and mainly feed on grasses, leaves, and stems. Zebras are also migratory animals that can travel long distances in search of food and water. Zebras have strong teeth and jaws that are adapted to chew tough, fibrous vegetation. However, as they age, their teeth wear down from their herbivorous diet, making it harder for them to graze effectively. Despite their impressive abilities, zebras still face several threats in the wild. They are often hunted by predators such as lions, hyenas, and wild dogs. However, they can use their speed and agility to sometimes outrun them. Zebras can reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. They are particularly known for their zigzag running pattern, which makes it difficult for predators to predict their movements. They also have excellent eyesight and hearing, which allows them to spot predators from a distance and avoid danger. The life cycle of zebras is one of adaptation and survival in the face of various challenges. The life cycle of zebras begins with the female giving birth to a single foal after a gestation period of about 14 months. The foal weighs around 70 pounds at birth and can stand and walk within an hour. It relies on its mother's milk for the first 6 to 8 months. After that, it starts to eat grass and other vegetation. Zebras reach mating maturity at around 3 years of age, and males will compete for access to females. The mating season usually occurs during the rainy season when food is abundant. Once pregnant, a female will give birth to a foal every 1 to 3 years, depending on the availability of food and water. The foal will stay with its mother until it is about a year and a half old, at which point it may join a bachelor herd or form a new family group later in life. Zebras have a lifespan of around 20 years in the wild, although they may live longer in captivity up to 40 years. Zebras are an essential part of the ecosystem in Africa, and they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the food chain. Without zebras, the ecosystem would be dramatically altered, and many other species would suffer as a result. As herbivores, zebras graze on grasses and other plants, which helps to control the growth of vegetation in the savannas and grasslands where they live. By keeping the growth of some plants in check, zebras help to ensure that other plants are available for other herbivores, such as antelopes. Furthermore, zebras are an important source of food for predators. Lions, hyenas, and other carnivores rely on zebras as a primary food source. Without zebras, these predators would struggle to find enough food to survive. Zebras also play a role in the dispersal of seeds. As they graze, they unknowingly spread seeds from the plants they eat across the savanna. This helps to promote the growth and diversity of plant life in the ecosystem. Zebras are highly social animals, and their interactions with other species, such as wildebeest and impalas, can have a profound impact on the ecosystem. For example, zebras have been observed grazing alongside wildebeest, which reduces the chances of being caught by predators, since it is harder to catch prey when they are in groups. Conservation efforts for zebras have become increasingly crucial due to the threats they face from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. By protecting zebras, we can ensure that they continue to thrive in the wild for generations to come. Several organizations are working towards protecting zebras and their habitats, including the African Wildlife Foundation and the World Wildlife Fund. One of the primary ways to conserve zebras is by protecting their habitats. This involves setting up protected areas, such as national parks, where zebras can roam freely without human interference. These protected areas also help to ensure that zebras have access to adequate food and water sources. Another strategy for conserving zebras is by controlling poaching. Many poachers target zebras for their meat, hides, and other body parts, which are sold on the black market. Organizations have been working closely with local communities to raise awareness about the importance of protecting zebras and to provide alternative livelihoods for those who depend on poaching as a means of income. Climate change poses a significant threat to zebras as it alters their natural habitats and reduces their access to water sources. Conservation efforts must, therefore, focus on reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable practices. Finally, research and monitoring are essential to ensure the success of conservation efforts. By tracking zebra populations, scientists can identify areas where conservation efforts are most needed and make informed decisions about management strategies. Thanks for watching our video about zebras. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures and all the unique characteristics that make them so special. If you want to see more amazing animals, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos. Don't forget to like and leave a comment letting us know what you thought about this video and what other animals you'd like to see us feature. Thanks again for watching.